Hi everybody, in this video I'll walk you through the steps on how to block YouTube channels on iPhone or Android. If you want to block YouTube channels, you have to follow these simple steps. So the procedure will remain the same either for an iPhone or an Android device. Open up your YouTube application and log in. Open up your YouTube application. So what you actually want to do is you could select any of these video, alright? So they offer a feature of actually going on with not interested. So when you click on the option, then you just need to click on three dot and here you have not interested section. You click that out and as soon as you click on it, it's going to be removed, and that is one way of doing the not interested, or that way of removing or blocking the content. The other way to do it so is that you actually have to go to their profile page or the YouTube channel account itself. So just click on the profile icon here. Then when you are taken to this field, you could see this is how it's gonna look. So here you just want to tap on the three dot icon of the particular video or the content. You could just go with the specific one. And when you actually go with the specific content, you could actually find this block, or you could see this hide user from my channel and all that. You could simply go and press that out, and this is one way of doing it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.